Hello guys, today we will learn how we can hack our friend's Wi-Fi and his all saved Wi-Fi passwords with Windows Terminal or CMD. So because of this is a demo video, I used my personal desktop in this video. You guys can assume that this is your friend laptop or desktop. So let's begin the hacking process. As you can see here, this system is connected to a Wi-Fi network. And this all or nearby Wi-Fis are. So at first click on the Windows button from the taskbar and type CMD and press enter. It will open the command prompt. Now type netshwlan show profiles and press enter. This command will show all the saved Wi-Fi network names from the system as a list, as you can see here. So at first let's hack the current Wi-Fi password using CMD. As you can see here, I am connected to this Wi-Fi, so let's hack it. Type netshwlan show profile name equals. Then select the Wi-Fi name from the list. And copy with mouse right click, and then paste with mouse right click, and type key equals clear, and press enter. It will show you the Wi-Fi name, and the authentication type, and the password as you guys can see here. So using this simple method, you guys can hack your friend's Wi-Fi password from his laptop or desktop. Not only that, you can also hack all of the saved Wi-Fi passwords from that system as well. So now let's hack one of his saved Wi-Fi password from that list. Let's hack this one. So let's copy the name. In the same way, type netshwlan show profile name equals. Then paste the Wi-Fi name and type key equals clear and press enter. So again, you can see here that the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password is showing here. Now let's test the password is working or not. So at first let me disconnect from my current Wi-Fi network. And let me connect to that Wi-Fi network with the hacked password which we just hacked. So as you can see here, it's auto-connected because the Wi-Fi password is already saved into my system. So let me forget the password first. So now let's connect to the Wi-Fi. At first let's copy the password from the CMD screen. Now select the Wi-Fi name and click on connect. Now paste the password and click on next. So as you can see here, we are now successfully connected to the Wi-Fi with our copied password. So this simple way you can hack your friend's Wi-Fi passwords easily. Thanks for watching the video. Please give a thumbs up to the video and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more useful videos.